The 4-Hour Chef by Tim Ferriss is more than just a cookbook. It's a guide to mastering new skills quickly. Here are some of my key takeaways from this book. Ferriss uses cooking to teach principles of rapid learning. The book is divided into sections, starting with cooking basics and moving to advanced techniques, while teaching methods to quickly learn any skill. The book introduces meta-learning, which are strategies for breaking down complex skills into manageable parts. Ferriss provides tips on how to practice efficiently and retain information better. In cooking, Ferriss covers a wide range of recipes and techniques, from simple dishes for beginners to complex recipes for advanced cooks. This makes the book accessible to all skill levels. Ferriss also includes lessons on survival skills, fermentation, and butchery, making the book more than just recipes. It's a comprehensive guide to becoming more knowledgeable and self-sufficient in the kitchen and beyond. The 4-Hour Chef is a great read for anyone interested in cooking, learning new skills, or improving their ability to learn. Tim Ferriss's innovative approach and practical tips make this book a valuable resource for aspiring chefs and lifelong learners alike.